So, good morning. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate the unit testing in the IK in the register. If you don't have an input, no input, the expected result is an error message will display. So, let's try the PyCharm. So, this is the username, email, phone, password, confirm password. So, no input yet. So, let's try if the error message will came out. So no input, and it will display an error message which is please fill out the all fields. So let's put the second is the with an valid input. So let's try Maria. His name is Maria. The email is Maria at gmail.com. 099796935. Password is so let's try this. Login as username user. As you can see there's input already. We'll press register. So register successfully. So now let's go in the login testing. So if you don't have an input, an error message must be displayed. So let's try the input. So username and password, no input. So let's try. Let's run. It was the wrong password or no input. Wrong password, username or password. So it will not proceed. So let's put the username and password. Username and 23. And let's run. So it has an input already, username and password. And it will be directed in the dashboard. Super di papa. Let's now go in the app permission. So if you click the allow button, it will proceed, and if you will not click the button on, you will ignore it, it will not proceed in the dashboard. So let's try. As you can see, press the allow button. It will proceed in the dashboard. So that's it is for all my unit testing part. So thank you for watching.